Lesson number 16, we have the word oy or yung letters natin na oy. Oy, which is yung O and then I. Yung oy, ang mga words na meron yan ay yung boy, toy, join, oil, spoil, boil, annoy, point, appoint. So, yun yung may mga, may sounds tayo na oy. Ang stroke po natin dyan ay pinagsama nating O and then yung I. I or yung natin, yung parang E. O and then E. Okay? Again, O and then E. Okay? O and then E. Ito si O, tapos ito si E. Ito si O, tapos ito si E. Ang sound niya is oy. Okay? Sample natin yung word na boy. Boy, we have B-O-E. Okay? Again, we have B-O-E. B-O-E, B-O-E. Okay, that is boy. How about toy? Okay, toy, we have T-O-E, T-O-E. T-O-E, T-O-E. Okay, so that is toy. T-O-E. Okay, next sample tayo kay oil. We have oil. Oil natin is oy, then L, oy, then L. Okay, again, we have oy, then L, oy, then L. Okay, so oil. Another, we have annoy. Okay. Annoy, we have A-N-O-E. Again, we have A-N-O-E. A-N-O-E. Annoy. Okay. So, next we have yung word natin or letters natin na men. Okay. Yung sound ni men, combination na siya ng letter M tsaka letter N. So, mahaba po siya. Andito si M, tapos andito si N. Yung mga natin, words na may men, okay? Yan ay pinagsama ng M tsaka N, wala na si E. So, mahaba dapat siya, okay? Ito si men, and si men. Ito naman, letter M. Tapos ito, letter N. Mas maikse, okay? So, mas mahaba si men. Sample word natin dito. We have cement. Okay? Men po yan, hindi naman pinopronounce si A. So, we have men, then T. Okay? Men, then T. That is men. Okay? Another, we have the word immense. Okay? Immense, we have E-men-S. Again, E-men-S. Okay, again, we have E-men-S. Immense. Okay, another, we have women. Okay, women, we have we-men. Okay, W-E, then men. We-men. Okay, so that is women. Also, yung ating mga words na mean, or yung may mga sounds tayo na mean, mon, and then man. Same lang po yan na mahaba. Si M at N. Pinagsamang M at N. Okay, meron tayo diyang word na minute. Okay, minute natin. Mean, E-T. Mean, E-T. Okay, that's minute. Next, we have month. Month, we have M-N, then over it. Okay? M-N, then over it. That is month. And then another, we have manage. Manage, hindi siya G, kundi letter J. Kasi J yung sound niya. So, we have man, then J. Okay? That is manage. So, next on lesson number 16, we have ye and then ya. Okay? Ye, anya natin is just yung maliit na circle natin. Yung maliit, si ye, maliit. No? Si ye, maliit. Well, si ya, yung malaki. Which is si letter A, and then ito si letter E. Okay? Sample tayo kay ye. We have year. We have E-R, E-R, E-R. That is year. And then we have yellow. We have E-L-O. E-L-O. Okay, yellow. So, kay ya naman, kay ya, we have yard. Yard. A-R-D. Yan na yan ha, ya. A-R-D. Okay, naalala nyo si R-D, yung pag ganito, R-D yan. Okay, again, si yard. A-R-D. Okay. Another si yarn. Yarn. A-R-N. A-R-N. Yarn. Okay, so that is our lesson number 16. Lesson number 17, we have brief forms. Okay. First, we have gentleman. Gentleman is just J and then man. Yung mahaba natin yan, yung M-N. Okay, that is gentleman. Then we have morning. Okay. Morning is just M-N and then I-N-G. Okay, M-N and then I-N-G. That is morning. Okay. Next, we have the word where. I mean where. Where. Okay, with H. Where is just A and then R, A and then R. Okay, where po yan, nasaan. Next, we have company. Company is just letter K and then P, K and then P. Okay, letter K and P. Next, we have manufacture. Manufacture is just man and then F. Ito, F naman. Okay. Again, man and then F. Okay, ulit. Man and then F. Okay, yun yung ano natin, pinagsama na ng MN. Okay, next. Next natin is next. Okay, word next. Next is just N-E-S, N-E-S. Okay. And then we have short. Short is just ish and then T, ish and then T. Okay, ish and then T, that is short. And then lastly, sa brief form, we have important, important, or importance. Okay, parehas lang po sila. Letter M and then letter P. Okay, letter M and then letter P. Again, letter M and then letter P. Letter M and then letter P. That is importance. Next, we have here a word beginning. Word beginning, yung mga nasa umpisa ng words natin. Like, per and then pour. Okay? Yung per and pour, parehas lang po yan na ang ginagamit is P and then R. P and then R lang. For example, we have person. Okay, we have per SN. Per SN. Okay, that's person. So, another, kay per, we have persist. Okay. Persist, we have per S T. Dalawa yung S dyan ha, persist. Per S S T. Okay? Per S S T. That is persist. Kay ano naman tayo? Kay pour. Kay pour, like purchase. Okay, purchase, we have pour, Ch-A-S. Che, yung CH po yun ha. Okay, again, purchase. Okay, purchase. Yan. So, next, we have si purple. Purple. Purple natin is just PR and then PL. Okay, again, we have PR and then PL. That is purple. And then, si purpose. Purpose, we have PR, PO, and then S. PR, PO, and then S. Okay, that is purpose. Another word beginning, okay, we have de, okay, de, and then D. De, and then D. Parehas po yan na ang ginagamit lang natin ay si letter D. Okay, letter D lang. Let's say we have delay. Delay, we have D-L-A. D-L-A. That is delay. Another, we have deserve. Okay, deserve, we have D-S-E-R-V. Okay, again, have D-S-E-R-V, deserve. Then, we have D-S-E-R-V, deserve. Then, another kay de, we have design. Okay, design, we have D-S-I-N. D-S-I-N, design. Kay D naman, kay D, we have direct. Okay, direct. D-R-I-K-T. D-R-I-K-T. I mean E. Okay, E. Again, we have D-R-E-K-T. D-R-E-K-T. Okay, direct. And then, pag kay direction, direction. D-R-I-K-ish. Then, di ba yung Sean natin, ish yung ginagamit dyan? We have D-R-I-K-ish. Okay, ito si ish. Ito si K. Si K. Okay. And then, meron naman directly. Directly, meron din tayo dito. Kaylee, di ba? Yung ano na, ilang natin, si L-Y. So, we have D-R-I-K-T-E. Again, D-R-I-K-T-E. Again, we have D-R-I-K-T-E. Directly. So, that is lesson number 17. Lesson number 18, we have principles of joining. Okay? First, we have, sabi dito, at the beginning of a word and after K, gay, or a downstroke, the combination O-S is written without an angle. Okay? So, dapat, ganito po siya isulat. Wala siyang angle. Okay? Let's say, for example, kapag daw po to, beginning or after ng K, ng gay, at saka ng downstroke. Okay? Yan ay dapat smooth lang siya, yung O tsaka S. Let's say husky. Husky, we have H-O-S and then K-I. Okay? H-O-S and then K-I. So, smooth lang siya. Another si gas. Okay? Gay, O-S, then T. Diba? Sinundan siya ni gay, tapos pababa na. Gay, O-S, then T. That is gas. And then just, so downward stroke tayo. J-O-S-T. J-O-S-T. So, yun daw ginagamit. Kapag sinundan siya ni K, gay, at saka downstroke, dapat smooth. Pero, kapag hindi, okay, kapag hindi naman, pag hindi siya K, gay, at downstroke, ganito siya isulat. Okay? Ayan po. Si O and then si S. Meron siyang ano po dyan, parang may angle dito. Yan o, yung angle dyan sa part na yan. So, O and then S. Sample, si loose. Okay, we have L. We have L-O-S, L-O-S. Then, does. D-O-S, D-O-S. Then Rust, we have R-O-S-T, R-O-S-T. Okay, so yun po yung difference niya. Number 2, we have the word beginning re is represented by R before a downstroke or a vowel. So, si re natin, okay, yung re, R lang yan, di ba? Ginagamit lang daw po siya kapag pababa yung susunod na ano niya, stroke. Kapag yung susunod kay re is downstroke. And then, vowel. Yung mga vowel, like A, E, P, O, U. So, re gagamitin. Pero kapag hindi, okay, kapag hindi, lalagyan nyo pa rin siya ng E. Okay? So, kay ano muna tayo? Kapag downstroke, yung sinundan niya, pati vowel. So, we have research. Research, we have re, S-E-R, che. Okay? So, ito si re, sinundan niya downward stroke. Si S, di ba, pababa. So, re natin, walang E. Okay? Yung re mismo na R. Another, si reference. Reference, re, F-E-R-E-N-S. Okay? So, pababa ulit, kaya wala pang E. And then, we have si reopen. Ito, vowel naman. Reopen. So, we have re-o-p-n. Okay? Re-o-p-n. So, reopen. Kapag hindi naman siya sinusundan ng downward stroke or vowel, ang gagamitin is re. Sample, relate. Okay, relate. We have R-E-L-A-T. R-E-L-A-T. Okay? So, kasi pa-forward siya at hindi rin naman vowel yung kasunod na letter ni R-E. Okay, so, may E tayo. Another, si retake. Okay, we have re, then take. Okay, re, then take. Okay po. So, next tayo, number 3. Sabi, the word beginnings de, di, are represented by D except before K or G. Okay. So, si D at saka si D, ginagamit lang daw, gagamitin mo siya palagi, except lang kapag susundan mo si K at G, no? So, meaning, lagi mo nang gagamitin si D na for D at D kapag hindi siya sinusundan ni K at K. Example, depress. Okay, depress, we have D, P-R-E-S-T. Okay, again, D, P-R-S-T. We have D, P-R-E-S-T. Okay, again, we have D, P-A. We have D, P-R-E-S-T, depress. Okay, so, hindi naman kasunod si K or G, kaya hindi natin lalagyan ng E. Another, we have deliver. Okay, deliver, we have D-L-E-V-R, deliver. So, L yung kasunod, kaya pwede natin gamitin D lang. Another, we have direction. Direction, D-R-E-K-ish. Okay, yan yung kanina. So, hindi natin siya gagamitin kapag sinundan ni K and G. Kapag kasunod si K and G, mayroong E. Okay, sample, declare. Declare, ayan, K yan ha, hindi siya C kasi pronounced as declare. So, we have D-E-K-L-A-R. Okay, again, we have D-E-K-L-A-R. Declare. Ayun si E. Okay, another, we have decay. Okay, decay. Okay, again, decay. Okay, and dito si D, saka si E. Another is degrade. Degrade, we have naman G. We have degrade.
As you have perhaps already noticed, from your study of lessons 1 through 17, the past tense of verb is formed by adding the stroke for the sound that is hard in the past tense. In some words, the past tense has the sound of T, as in baked. In others, it has the sound of D, as in saved. In some words, the past tense is incorporated in a blend, as in planned, feared, mailed.
Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga verb, 'di ba? Kapag naging past tense na siya, dinudugtong lang natin yung mga stroke ng letter T or yung D kapag ano na siya, ED na, 'di ba? Nadugtungan ng ED. Tulad na lang ng words na baked at saved, no? Letter D tsaka letter T yung dinudugtong. Pero may ibang words naman na bine-blend na lang natin si T at tsaka si D. Tulad nung words na planned, feared, tsaka mailed. No, meron tayong stroke, 'di ba, na ND, RD, tsaka yung LD. So magkakadikit na siya. Sa steno naman, given na po yung ano natin, yung mga blended natin na letters, no? Yung tulad nga po ni ND, RD, LD. So, given na siya, kaya hindi na po kayo para malito pa kung alin ba doon yung mga naka-blend na yung kapag sa past tense na po siya, kapag dudugtungan mo na siya ng ED or yung sound niya na T. Tulad nga po niyang feared, meron tayong RD, so yung pa-upward natin po yan nakuwit na. So, ganyan po yung principle natin dyan. So, kapag hindi siya given kay steno na meron na siyang blended na letter, ibig sabihin, isusulat pa rin natin CT or CD. Okay? So, that is our lesson 18.